Well, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be repairing a little necklace here. Actually, let me pull my loop out so that I can inspect what I'm doing. You know, when wrong thing. When I started doing this, I didn't think that my life would get so chaotic. I don't know if chaotic is the right word, but it's like I'm just surrounded in stuff all the time, and I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love it, but I clean up, and there's no point in cleaning up because it just gets messy all over again. So it's like, what the heck was the point? Okay. Interesting, it's marked. Ooh, this one's 14 karat gold fill. Exciting. Okay, cool. All right, but some of the little thingies have come undone. So I've got some pliers here, and I'm just going to ever so gently reattach the strand that has come undone. Okay. I wish I had a better way of showing this, but I guess you're just gonna have to trust my work. All right. Now. Okay, yeah, that's easy enough. It literally just got stretched and fell out of its little hole, so we just need to hook it back in and tighten the metal right here. So that's easy enough. Doing this while the camera's on is actually nerve-wracking because, you know, you guys are watching. If you're watching. I'm so glad that I got my nails done because I could not type anymore with my nails as long as they were. I was really struggling there. So now I can better deal with jewelry and little things that need more detail, more attention to detail. It's easier. There we go. Yes, I got the squeeze right. All right, now hopefully, yes. Woohoo! Wow. Oh my. NFS. Just kidding. It's for sale. But I love it. Okay, now how do we take it off? Uh-oh. I didn't study the mechanism enough to figure that out. I'm stuck. It's okay, I won't be stuck for long. Scott's gonna be here any moment. All right, we'll just leave that on while I work on the next one. Okay, so this one is a double strand. Same thing, it just came undone from its little hook here. Thankfully, the thread didn't come off of the jump ring because then that would be a pain in the A. So I don't have to deal with that. But this is now back on and secure. Yes. Perfect. And now that is reattached. It's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. Oh wow, look at this one. This one's like, this one had a baby. A lot of these kind of look like they had a baby. Very Baroque style pearl. With a 14 karat gold fill clasp. And it's gorgeous. Let me put it on a bust. Because my bust is busy at the moment. Wowzers! Look at that. Wow, that's gorgeous, the double strand. I love that. So that will be available for sale. And I'm so glad that I finally got to fixing that. Now, another exciting thing that I have done is, let me put away my little tools. I bought the Simichrome polish because I don't think I've ever smelled formaldehyde, and I can't test Bakelite that way. So we're gonna test just a couple of items that I believe could be, what do you call this? Bakelite. So I have a little, I'm gonna go all extra because I'm extra. And I'm gonna put some gloves on. Just in case. Just in case. Ooh, 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 oh, no. Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness. My microphone's all the way over here. Hold on. Let me put this back on. Let's just clip you there. Okay. All right. Let's see. Ooh! And this is why we make sure to be safe. Okay. All right. Let's see. If it turns brown, it's Bakelite. How long do I have to rub this for? Not Bakelite? Are you not Bakelite? It's not turning brown. At least I don't think it is. It has to be like a tobacco. It has to look like this kind of color. Brown. I think I rubbed it enough, right? Negative for Bakelite. Okay. Well, at least now I know for certain. Oh, shoot. I am dumb as rocks here. I forgot I had Simichrome. See, this is why it was probably a good idea for me to wear gloves. Because I'm learning as far as like what to do here. Okay. All right, let me test the other, this one, just in case. Just in case. I'm just going to go in with the same one. Ugh, don't be annoying. Nope. No Bakelite. Okay, but it's still a gorgeous beaded beauty. So we're gonna make sure all the Simichrome is off of that. Perfect. Now the other thing that I wanted to test was the sterling silver charm bracelet. Hopefully I can find it in here. Because there's a pair of dice in it that that I think could be Bakelite. So I have to find it now. And this is what I mean. Oh, let me close this before I get a Simichrome mess all over the place. Oh my God, it was staring me in the face the whole time. Of course it was. The one thing that I was looking for was right under my nose, because that's usually how it goes. When I'm looking for something, we'll just pull out a teeny tiny little dice. And you know what? I'll use some new, just a little bit. Okay, good enough, I think. Because this thing is so small. Success! I feel like I just scored gold. Woohoo! Yay, Bakelite! The miniature dice is Bakelite. My first Bakelite in my life. I feel like I just found gold. And I still don't get Bakelite, but I'm gonna get Bakelite. Yay! So my friend on YouTube who told me, gave me a little tip. She said the dice could be Bakelite. And she was right. So yay, I'm so happy. I can officially say that these dice are Bakelite. Now let me throw away my little. And here's the proof, hold on. It's really hard to test a little one like this. Let me go into a darker. Do you see it? You see how it's a little brown on the tip? That is the color of Bakelite. So, yo. This video is so weird, isn't it? Okay, now I'm done with the gloves. Dang, now I wish I had more maybe Bakelite pieces that I could test. Just so I could have some fun testing Bakelite. Because that was pretty fun. It's exciting to know that you found Bakelite. And I wish I had more. Actually, at one of the thrift stores that I went to, there was quite a few Bakelite things, but it was Bakelite like fur clips. And I'm like, I don't see anybody buying fur clips, but they were that really pretty green color. And I was really tempted, but I don't feel like I'm there yet as far as like enough people watching my channel and putting in the money into Bakelite when I don't know, like I'm still learning. Everybody. Oh my gosh, maybe I should test the ice cube. Let me test the ice cube. Yeah, baby. I'm upstairs. Scott just got home. He brought dinner. Okay. Well, here I go with no gloves now. So let's see how we do. I don't think it's Bakelite, but is Bakelite ever clear? Karla's about to teach you the lesson right now. I don't think so, though. Yeah, no, I don't think so. So what is this material? If it's clear, what is the material? No, I don't see no brown doo-doo color. It's not doo-doo color. It's like a tobacco-y color. Yeah, no. Okay, we're done. So my very old charm bracelet, which I might start wearing actually because I really like this bracelet. And I love the little clicky sound it makes. Look at how cool. I mean, I showed this in my second live sale, so if anybody wants to like look at a really detailed view of this. But now I can confirm that the pair of dice that are able to be taken out of their compartment here and used are Bakelite. So yay for that. And I just got back from my flamenco class. And I had this on my mind that I wanted to test this for Bakelite because literally as I was parking, the Amazon truck arrived and I was like, hey, I'll save you the walk. Just give me my package and take a picture of me with it. And we'll be handy dandy. And this was like literally right here. Anyways, I fixed the pearls. Got the Bakelite tested. And got my trash can right here. Now I can add this to my toolkit. Simichrome polish. And hopefully I find more Bakelite goodies as time goes on. Anyways, wow, that took 17 minutes. Holy crap. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, time for dinner. Bye.